What's up, Urban Mafia? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay Shakur. How you guys doing on this beautiful day? So in this video, I'll be showcasing this wig from Superb Wigs Hair Company. In this video, I'll be showing you how I installed this unit, and not only that, I'll be showing a few hairstyles as well. Now, first things first, I just want to let you guys know off rip, I love this unit. This unit is very much so beginner friendly. Why, you may ask? HD transparent lace, which means it blends into every skin tone. The knots pre-bleached, the hairline pre-plucked. The unit is pretty much customized already to where you don't have to do anything but put the unit on your head. Like, look at those knots. Black knots where? Non-existent. Now, in the beginning of this video, I showed you guys how this wig came packaged. The wig actually came with 4 adjustable straps. 2 were already attached to the wig, and it gave you 2 extra straps. That is common courtesy, like, not because I'm a YouTuber, that comes with every package, y'all. I can't stress this enough. Like, I love this unit. This is my favorite. Bump out those other videos that I did. This is my favorite. Top notch. Beginner friendly, my friend. Beginner friendly. Boy 50. And as I stated earlier, there's adjustable straps attached to this wig, so you can go ahead and do the glueless method. But for this video only, I decided to lay this wig just for video purposes. So I did 1 coat of the Got To Be glue gel, and then I put the freeze spray on top of it. Now, usually when people lay their unit, they do it side by side, but me, I just placed the wig straight onto the glue, which made me mess up because if you guys can tell, this wig is in a side part. I don't know if the wig is originally a middle part or a side part, but clearly you can tell that part is crooked, but it's okay. It's all right. I flicked it and I twicked it and I flipped it and I reversed it. All right. Look at this parting space. Did I forget to mention this is a 6-inch parting space? This hair is beyond silky. I don't even think it's Brazilian. I really feel like it's Peruvian because I had Peruvian straight before, and that stuff was silky. This is super silky. Now this is the finished look, y'all. This is the best wig ever, y'all. Like, no cap, no wig cap. I will not lie to you. Look, I did such a good job. Now boom, on to the first style. I am going to give you guys Chun-Li cousin realness, okay? Call me Shaylee. That's cute. Now this is pure Aaliyah-ness. Ariana Grande, if you will, but I'll say Aaliyah. This would look so cute if the wig was long as well, but it's okay. We still rocked it.
What you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, though, would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys I'll keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off?
You guys pretty much made it to the end of the video. Check the description box below. I also have a coupon code down there where you can save $8. All right, thank you, Superb Wigs.